Hello, good morning, children. Today we are going to again have a revision of chapter 1, that is numbers beyond 6 digit. Now for that we will have certain slides and kindly just see where I am pointing out my pen. Next, when we start with the numbers, reading numbers, we first need to see the places and the periods. The places in the Indian system are ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and we have further more, but that we will learn in the next section. These are the places. Underlined ones are the periods. This is called the ones period, and we have three places. In the ones period, we have three places: ones, tens, hundred. In the thousands period, we have two places, that is 1,000 and 10,000. Again, in the lakhs period, we have two places, lakh and 10 lakh. Now let us see how we are going to read the numbers. See children, I have just underlined 23 lakh 16,632, 7 lakh 9,709, 15 lakh 30,590. Further number we are reading 4 lakh 10,212, 88 lakh 6,201, 9 lakh 3,304. Let us now read the next slide. Zoom. Okay, now the place value, place, face value and the period. Again, see here children, I have written the places and these are the period commas. So again, how do I read this number? 84 lakh 67,294. Now I have underlined 7. Just see the number 7 is underlined. Therefore, the place value of 7 is 7,000 or numerically 7,000. Place of 7. See the place. See the place of 7. Place of 7 is 1,000th place. And the face value of any digit, as I said earlier, remains the same irrespective of any place. That means face value of 7 is 7. Period. Now see this period. It lies in which period? It lies in the thousands period. This way we can find the place value, place and the face value period of any digit from its place. Let us see the next slide. Okay, now predecessor means number before. Successor means number after. Ascending means small to big and descending means big to small. We are going to use these terminologies now, predecessor and successor. We are no longer going to use this what comes after, what comes before. Ascending, descending. Now here again confusing concept. Now just one hint I would give you children is descending. D means down. Descending, D means down. So when we go down from a bigger steps to lower steps. That means bigger number to smaller number. Let us go to next slide. Okay, now comparing the numbers. Comparing numbers is again used in using crocodile sign, greater than, less than, equal to. Means I mean to say comparing numbers can be done with 2 numbers, 3 numbers and more. So for that we have again 2 options. If they have the same number of digits, we see the place by place. Now see here the digits are the same. but means the number of digits are the same, I mean here. So we see 1 1, see 5 in the crores place, 9 in the 10 lakhs place, 9 in the 10 lakhs place, and 0 and 2, that means 2 is greater. That means this number 5 crore 92 lakh 23,567 is greater. If they have different number of digits, the number having more number of digits is the greatest number. Now let us go to the next slide. Next slide here I have is building numbers. Building numbers means repeating the digits or without repeating the digits. Now suppose if I have 5 digits here, look here, 2, 0, 3, 1, 8. That means I have 5 digits and I need to build 5-digit number. That means definitely I will not be repeating the digits, but I will just arrange this in the descending order of the digits. 8, 3, 2, 1, 0 and a period comma. Children, once again I would like to remind you, don't put commas in between all this digit or except period commas. So that becomes 83,210. Smallest number here is 10,238. Children, I know 0 is the smallest digit here. If I arrange in the descending order 0, 1, 2, 3, 8, that becomes a 4-digit number. That means I will not be using 0 first, but 0 I will be using in the second place. Okay. Second is repeating the digits. Such situations arises when I just have 4 digits and I need to build 5-digit number. I just have 4 digits but I need to build 5 digit. That means 1 digit I need to repeat. If it is a greater number, it will be greatest digit repeating. If it is a smallest number, smallest digit will be repeating. That means 88,630. 30,068. Children, I will be just using period commas. No other commas like this. If I put commas like this, they again become the digits, not the number. Now let us come to the next slide. Build rounding, estimating, approximately or roughly. All means the same. I will be using different terminologies from the exam point of view. You cannot just say rounding, estimating, or so I can use any terms from the exam point of view. Now children, here is a different way to learn rounding. See, I have drawn a number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then this is a line. That means if a number is less than 4, it will round down. If it is 5 and more, it will be rounded up. Now for that, let us consider one example. 3,578. Now rounding tens. Tens means how many zeros? 1. That means after tens, I will put a slash. See, this is a slash. And then I will observe the digit after slash. That is 8. Now where is my 8? It is more than 5. That means it will be rounded up. See, 8 is more, that means it is rounded up and it will be plus 1. See here, plus 1. So that means it will be rounded to 3,580 because 8 is more than 4. So whenever a digit is more than 4, it is rounded up. 4 and less than 4, it is rounded down. Second example, 482. Again I put a slash and see the number 2. It will be rounded down because rounded down to 480. 480 because digit 2 is less than 5. See, it's here. That is why it is rounded down. Now rounding hundreds. 100 means I will put a slash after 100 and I will observe the digit 6. See, 6, it is rounded up. So, it will be rounded to 2400. This is the way, this is just a complete revision of chapter 1 briefly. But we can still have furthermore practice with worksheets and furthermore topics. Thank you and keep learning, children.